Today, your company faces unprecedented challenges from low commodity prices and fierce competition. Many projects are either being canceled or postponed. More companies are chasing fewer projects. To beat your competitors, you need an edge, one that enables you to deliver better results than your rivals. Fortunately, owners are focusing more and more on maintaining their existing facilities, so there will be more brownfield projects in the future. For these, you need a tool set that matches the dynamics and finances of these faster-paced, lower-budget projects. So, what does that tool set look like? It enables quick implementation and configuration, while its ease of use allows you to get started immediately. Let's take a closer look at how you can work more efficiently and intelligently, and complete your project sooner with higher quality. It's time to stop imagining and start believing. During brownfield project execution, existing information often needs to be reused. Therefore, you need a tool that enables you to work with existing models, and which imports and converts specifications created in other vendor solutions. The project needs to stay on schedule and on budget. Therefore, you need a tool that enables you to create high-quality 2D and 3D designs intuitively, rapidly, efficiently, intelligently, and automatically. As projects progress, requirements often change, resulting in designs having to be revised. Modifications need to be made quickly, without undoing work already done. Therefore, you need a tool that enables new or missing components to be introduced simply, alteration of the piping layout to be made easily, specifications to be updated quickly and accurately, components to be changed seamlessly from one type to another, inline components to be inserted without breaking connectivity, and, in some cases, for change to occur automatically. Making modifications without having to delete and remodel saves project time and cost. Ultimately, you need a tool that caters to projects of any type, size, scope, and complexity, from the smallest skid to the largest plant. And, if you are looking to diversify your business in these challenging times, a flexible and adaptable tool which satisfies the design requirements of different industries. To receive these benefits and more, the tool set you need is the CADWorx Plant Design Suite, based on AutoCAD and BricsCAD. If you are ready for an easier and more efficient way to execute your brownfield projects, contact us for more information, to arrange a demonstration, or to receive a free trial.